Hello guys, today we are going to explore some job openings for automation testing engineer and for manual testing engineer, and this is for freshers as well as experienced candidates. So let's get started. So first job opening and first company is Book My Show, as we all know. Okay, and they have the opening for software development engineer test and automation, and the location is Mumbai, and experience required is 5 to 9 years. Okay, you can read out the role details and JD details here. You can see here the skill set required is APM, Selenium, Java. Okay, you can read out this in detail. I'll provide the link in description box. Okay, the second company is Quality QSK, and the experience required is 0 to 1 year. This means freshers and who have the experience less than 1 year can apply for this. This is basically a trainee automation engineer vacancy, and this location is New Mumbai. You can apply for this position. Okay, the third company is Siemens. Okay, this is a MNC company, and here multiple job openings are available. You can see here, but at different location. Senior software testing automation engineer at Pune location, test automation engineer using Playwright at Bangalore location, and test automation architect at Pune location. So as per your current address and experience level, you can apply for these jobs. Okay, our next company is Electrolab India Private Limited. This is a small scale company and working in embedded projects. Okay, so who have interest in embedded testing, they can apply for this job. You can see here job details are like manual embedded software testing, manual software testing knowledge, and issue tracking, bug reporting, tool knowledge. So this is a manual testing vacancy in embedded project, and this is a small scale company, so the freshers and who have experience less than 1 year can apply for these jobs. Okay, next company is Birla Soft, and they have opening for automation testing engineer. Okay, and the location is Bangalore. You can read out all of these details. I'll provide the link again in description box. Okay, and our next company is Atmosis, and they have multiple openings for performance testing, automation testing, as well as manual testing. So as per your interest and experience, you can apply for these jobs. And here below you can find out the mail ID. So this is the mail ID. Here you can share your resume, or you can just share your details and attach your resume. This thing as well you can do. Okay, next company is Capgemini, and vacancy is automation testing specialist. Experience required is 7 to 9 years, and location is Pune, as well as they have mentioned Mumbai, so you can work from any of this location. Okay, and here you can see the skill set they require is Java, Selenium, and also Cucumber. So the candidates who have the experience or the skill set, they can apply for this job. The last opening is Python automation, and location is Pune. Experience required is 4 to 6 years. So again, the requirement is Python and advanced Python multi-threading. You can read out all of these details, and I'll provide all of these links of job openings in description box. Okay, so let me know in comment box if you have any doubts or if you need any help from me. Thank you so much.